Hi friends, the question is, how do I integrate the mission classes with BTR, BTR with mission classes? Now, this has been something which has been there in the minds of the students, and they just love both the things of Cerebellum a lot. BTR is a rage amongst the students because they just fall in love the way Zaina ma'am teaches. Mission gets discipline. Mission sees that you have a complete idea of each subject. Now, these two things go hand in glove. They are not substitute of each other. You need both of them. How? Number one, you read a subject from the mission classes. There is a teacher who explains you the subject, and then that subject is taken by the teacher as exam and discussion. So he will give you an exam, you attempt that exam, you revise that subject, and you attempt the discussion. So there is a clarity. So mission class is something where the principle is very simple. Your course, our responsibility. So here there is a coverage of a subject which is conceptual, complete and comprehensive. It also tells you the tricks and pearls to solve the questions. You do this, you give an exam, you attend a discussion. Now here comes the icing on the cake, the BTR. So if you have done the mission classes of one particular subject, my take is complete BTR of that subject there itself, because it will ensure that you have completed the subject and you have done the BTR lectures as well. So it is a module for you to revise. Now when you go ahead, you will have two ways to revise again. You will have quick revision videos of the same teacher who has taken your mission lectures, and you have the BTR lectures to revise again, which are more easy to revise because you've already done them once. And this is the way to integrate. Further, when you're doing the mission classes, their exams are integrated with the BTR exams which are happening. So this is something which you should keep in mind. Do not wait to complete all the mission classes and then do the BTR, because it's going to increase your burden. I'm going to tell you one thing. There are two ways of spicing up your preparation and keeping yourself on the toes. Also, it's a way to check that the topics in both the streams are same, the mission classes and BTR. It is just the duration that matters. It's also a way to understand and listen to two different teachers for each subject, because some of the topics you might understand here better and some you might understand there better. So this is something which should be integrated. So what I believe is mission class and you could give BTR square root to it. So it will something which is going to multiply with it. So this is something very, very crucial. Try to go together. The rule is very simple. One of my students has a very simple principle that if I read something, I will revise the next morning. Next, what I read something, I'll revise the next morning. In this way, an extra revision is going on. So BTR will make sure you have at least 1 to 2 extra revisions during the whole year. And during the preparation, what matters is what you have served in your plate, you finish or not. Do not overserve yourself. Utna hi daliye, jitna aap kha sake. And the key to success is revision. It's not about increasing the number of topics. It's about increasing the revision of the topic that you have selected, and you will be surprised to this similarity between the mission topics and the BTR topics, because they're going to be carbon copy. So make sure, do mission, do BTR, don't miss anything, revise with them, and this is key to your success, because one after the other is not the way. Doing them together hand in glove is the way. Thank you very much.